welcome to Perkymomandkids. As I was researching for Ganesh festival, I am amazed that our little elephant god is depicted in so many ways. So many people have painted Ganesha in different forms. Wonderful. I love his childlike form, Bal Ganesha. So here are some activities to do with your little kids. So in today's video, I am showing you 3 easy kids friendly DIY Ganesha. Apart from making Ganesh idol, there are many activities to do with your kids. First one is read books on Ganesha. There are so much to explore in Indian mythology. As I read more and more, I found each story had so many versions. So, find a book on Ganesha and read it to your kids so your kids can get knowledge about God Ganesha. Cook Ganesha's favorite dish along with your kids. He likes laddus and modaks. You cook along with your little ones, so your little ones will get more interest about God Ganesha. Another activity is teach some Ganesh slok to your little ones and teach slok explaining with their meaning so they will enjoy it more. So enjoy making 3 DIYs for Ganesh Chaturthi along with your kids. Hope you friends like my video. If you like, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.